Hi, I have in front of me a UniArch 8-channel CCTV system. So this is available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie. And what do you get in the kit? Well, first of all, just a little bit about the background here. UniArch is a brand name owned by UniView, which is one of the largest CCTV companies in the world. So we're partnered with them here. This is a particularly good kit in terms of both the quality, the resolution, and also the ease of setup, which is just, it's almost automatic here. So everything you're going to need for this setup is here. So let's just go through the component parts with here. So the first thing is we have the DVR itself. So this can support up to 8 cameras. So what we have in the back here is we just have these cables, which we can see here. These are 20-meter BNC and power cables. So it's just running power from the power unit here directly over to the cameras, to power each of the cameras. A single power unit will do them all. And then the second thing here is we're running the picture back from the cameras back directly into the DVR itself. It comes with a 2 terabyte hard drive fitted as default. So on something like this, that's probably about 6 to 7 days recording time. It's sufficient for most people. We also have the computer mouse is coming with it as well. So then the cameras themselves, what we have is reasonably high spec cameras here. This is a 5 megapixel camera. It comes with 30-meter IR, which is night vision, and it's also got white light, which is a really cool feature about it is in terms of if at night time, we'll say, it'll detect that it's dark, instead of just doing the infrared lighting that you'd normally have, what it also has is a thing called white light. So it detects them, first of all it detects that it's nighttime, and secondly when it detects that it's there's motion in the area, it'll actually turn on the white light. So I'm just going to quickly demonstrate this just by covering 2 of the cameras here. So I just fully cover them here, and we'll see here, it's the colour you've seen that's changed on the screen. And if we actually look at the cameras here, we'll just see the white light comes on. So it effectively what it is for the time when it's spotting the motion, it's turning it on, which obviously is an added advantage because it's a quasi-security light that's coming on for you. In terms of the ease of setup inside of this camera, well, we have a series of videos here that will cover a lot of the things like the initial setup, etc. But it's basically plug and play. In terms of there's an app that comes with it, and again we have a separate video inside of the overall series in relation to that. Where we'll say are we benchmark in terms of 5 megapixel? Well, high definition starts at 2 megapixel, so 5 megapixel is coming more towards 4K type quality on it. So the picture resolution is absolutely superb, and particularly we're saying to people in terms of the spec that you're able to achieve here. The big advantage of, we'll say, a DVR system like that is just the ease of setup. There's none of the networking, IP address thing, all the rest of it. It's just plug and play, have it up on the app, and the app itself probably takes a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes in total to set up, put on your phone, and have it up and viewing. So like, who would possibly use this? I would say like generally domestic home users with a larger home and maybe an outshed, something like this, would love this type of a setup on it. But you could also use it in a small business as well. The sort of the step up or the step down from this would be a 4-camera DVR or a 16-camera one. Like anything other than commercial would never use, I would say, a 16-channel one. So it's probably the 8-channel here would be very, very popular. So that's it anyway. It's part of a much wider range of UniView products and great technical support that we have available here at freetv.ie.